now, hitting the northeast.
High winds, coastal flooding, and significantly sub-zero temperatures.
Most people stay at home when the conditions are that rough, but I'm on a mission to visit every national park in the US. And today, despite the storm, I'm gonna bring you to the northeast corner of the US. Acadia National Park. We're gonna see some frozen waterfalls, and we're gonna meet some friendly locals, as well as the Bass and Bar Harbor. The next day, we're gonna wake up at 5 in the morning, witness the sunrise, see why Carnegie, Vanderbilt, and Rockefeller donated land so this park can exist. Answer the question why over 4 million people visit the park each year. All of that and more coming up on the channel. Subscribe and don't miss out.